What is slim pickings?
No,
Okay,
you go ahead.
basically,
Yeah.
so to pick, it's like elegir is to choose. Basically, slim pickings, if it's something that's slim, you've got nothing available. So there's very little available. And often what is available isn't very good, right? Just imagine that it's Christmas Eve and I have to buy a Christmas present for you. Not that I am the sort of person that would, put myself in such a position, but and I'd be like, oh my God, slim pickings. There are slim pickings here because there's nothing left. And all the things that are left aren't very good. So this could be anything. You could
Like a
you could
fruit
be talking
store. And the fruit store at the end of
exactly
the
fruit
day
store at
when
the end of the
everything's
day.
been
It's slim
taken away.
pickings, right?
Yes.
Slim pickings. But it could apply to fruit, Cristallo. It could apply to dating. It could apply to houses. It could apply to
Too many different scenarios,
opportunities,
yes.
right? Whatever they are, if they're limited and they're bad, slim picking.